Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Instagram auto like feature. Sorry, I had to pause there. The Instagram auto like feature. Very simple, not too hard to understand. Basically, what the Instagram auto like feature does is it helps you gain more engagement. People have been using the auto like for years, going out there liking other people's posts just so that they can get more likes back on their photos. More likes on their photos tells Instagram that more people are engaging. Then Instagram will thereby take your content, put it out to more people on their Explore pages. So it just helps you all around and creates a cycle of more attention. So at the end of the day, we're all fighting for attention on Instagram, and everybody wants to grow their following. Everybody wants to sell products. This is how you do it. So Instagram auto like feature. So there's a website called thebotsandapps.gumroad.com or botsandapps.gumroad.com. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description for this exact tool. They produce a whole lot of tools. They have a bot for TikTok. They have Twitter bots. They have a AI writer tool. They have all these different things. But the tool that you're looking for is the auto comment feature or the IG comment automation tool, which is right here. It's $9.99. Once you get the tool, you can head over to autopilotpassiveincome.com. I will have a video on there. If you go from click on this other button and then click on free Instagram bot install, I have videos showing you how to install it. If you don't want to head over to my website, that's perfectly fine. Click the link in the description. It will show you how to install the actual tool if you don't know how. There are instructions right here on how to install it. It's really, really easy and really obvious. In today's video, I'm not going to show you how to install it. You can click on the other videos that I made to learn how. I'm just going to show you simply how it works, okay? So the auto like tool, all right? So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to search a hashtag. So in this case, I'm going to be searching hashtag Christian, right? And the reason why I would be searching hashtag Christian is because my account is related to that niche. It wouldn't make sense for me to search hashtag dogs if I don't post dog-related content. It wouldn't make sense for me to search hashtag corporate office if I don't have corporate office content. Does that make sense? So you want to search for photos or certain hashtags that are related to your niche. So for example, if you're a jeweler and you sell jewelry, you want to type in hashtag jewelry. If you are a dancer and you want to get subscribers or followers or attention from the dancing community, you write hashtag dancing, right? It's just a common sense kind of stuff. You're going to search for the hashtag that's related to your niche. You're going to start off by going here to the most recent, and you're going to click on the photo. Make sure it looks just like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on your like tool. So here I have my Instagram like tool. Once you install it, it's going to look like this, okay? So click on this bar right here. Make sure this is turned on. If it's not turned on, refresh the page and make sure you go back to this Instagram grid page. This is the most important. You click on this, okay? And once you click on this right here, you're going to have the photo like this. You click on the tool and you click on these little three bars here. These three bars are your settings. You're going to select how many likes you want to do and how many seconds between each like. Now, I recommend 30 to 60 seconds to start off with, okay, as a for the likes, but you do what you want. If you go less than 30 seconds and constantly perform likes and likes, you don't want to do that. It's just too much for your Instagram account. They might slow you down. They might say, hey, you're doing too much, stop. So 30 to 60 seconds is good enough. Set the amount of likes you want to do. So in my case, I'm just going to do 3 likes here just to show you how this works. In a normal session, I'd do 20 or 30, come back to it a little bit later, pick a different niche, something like that. So this is how it works, right? So I'm going to do 3 likes from 2 to 6 seconds between each like so you guys can see how it works. So I'm going to go over here and click do the like button, and I'm not going to move my mouse. You can see here I'm not moving my mouse to perform the first like. It's going to move on to the next photo in just a second here. There you go. You could see that it's doing the next like right now. Then it will move on to the last and third photo, and it's going to hit the like button. And that's it, okay? It says here complete 3 likes. That's it. So it's done. So we can actually refresh the page to see if we liked it. And let's go ahead and do that real quick, just so I can show you guys that it does work. So let me type this in real quick so you guys can see what's going on. And we could see here that the photos we liked started off right here. You could see this is liked. Or did it? or where did it start here? This one and this one. This one was posted when we had searched, and so it didn't like it. But you get the point. It did the 3 likes exactly how we needed it to happen. When I was searching for the page, this photo popped up, but it had not yet jumped in the catch. So there we go. So 3 photos are liked using the Instagram auto like. That's essentially how it goes. Now, once again, the biggest purpose of why we would use the auto like in a strategic sense is just for more engagement. If you're trying to boost your engagement on your Instagram account, that's when you would use the auto like feature. All right. All right, so if you have questions or comments, concerns, put them in the comments down below. If you want to learn how to install the tool, once again, go to the description box. There's a video. It's going to say how to install. Just click on that. You'll be able to install it. It'll be easy to go. Perfectly fine, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.